Hey, it's Angelo's Edge. I'm going to do a little sharpening with this Work Sharp Precision Adjust. This M&P Camo bit, or whatever this is. It came from the factory with a 25-degree angle and a 20 angle. So I got this here. I got a brace of sandpaper, emery cloth. I think this is a 50. So I'm going to try finding this angle and putting, so they both have the same angle, both whatever they are. So I already drew the line. So I'm going to see what we can find and try to get, I'll have to take a lot of steel off of one side. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find where this is at. That looks pretty good. So it says this is hitting perfect right there at, on this, it's this side, it is roughly 22, 23. So let's flip it over and see where. Yes. My glasses off right there. Yeah. So that's pretty good. 20. So hopefully we're gonna get this side the same. Oh, this. So they're both going to be roughly, looks like, by this. I was probably using Lansky on this, but I got like a really aggressive sanding paper. So I'm going to get this all cut off real quick and see what happens. This one, I had to hold this on a little bit until the tape actually starts sticking, because it's a double-sided tape. Squeeze that on there real good, and then oh yeah, I have it's like a fitting for air line that actually fits under this pretty damn good. Kind of slide it right under here, you lift up a little bit. Of course, as I'm showing it, it's not going to work. Kind of lift this up a little bit right there so that supports it. Now put some little bit of downforce on it. Must have got I don't know what happened. I got a little sliver or something. But this 50 grit sandpaper really cuts into it really nice and fast. Oh, forgot I have this under here. Flip it around. Pop it in here. Pop it in here, I guess. Don't have my glasses on. There we go. Cut this down. Oh, damn. This is just not sticking on the greatest right today. Kind of humid, but it'll go. Man. Come on, baby. Let's get this going. Let's remove some steel. See, what I'll do is just get this all. Oh yeah, so this I did forget about marking this where this is at. So, I could look, see. This one's hard, but it's still holding pretty good. What I gotta do is put this right here, this line here. You'll see it when I put it back in the camera. That way, you'll see what I'm doing. You can see it right there. So I drew it so if it moves, I could see. So that's, I think I'm going to go a couple more times with the 50 sandpaper. Let's get back here. Just make sure this tape is on there pretty good. Oh man, this tape is not cooperating with me today. It usually does. Usually once you get it on there, it stays on there. looks like though we got both the sides are consistent though. So pop this off and spin this. Oh, yeah. Sometimes it's easier just to do it that way. Yeah, so there's the M&P. I think I got this. One kind of good. I'm going to come back to it and I'll update you. All right, back to here again. I'm recording now. Wasn't before, so I put the 80 grit sandpaper on and came down from the 50. The M&P Extreme Karambit knife. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. Whoop. You can see the whole thing right there. I don't think I did a video on this yet. About that, like unboxing and stuff. Should almost use my camera instead of. It's kind of hard looking the camera and sharpen. Trying to get that burr going. But I find this helps me go a lot faster with these higher grit to reprofile. I'd be here all day with the 320 that comes with this sharpening system. Even the upgrade, I think it only comes with the highest grit is 220. So I don't even know how fast it would actually help if I got the 220. But it, I believe it comes. You get a new stone with 220 and a 800, I think, stone instead of. So it kind of transitions the stones down a little better. But I'll take a look at this. See if I can see the burrs. Pop it in here. See what we got. I don't know if I can see this. See, got. Starting to get a. Something going on there. All right. Oh, I got cats snoring. My wife's snoring too. Oh yeah. Everybody's sleeping except me. Yeah. Everybody's sleeping. Let's see. Go back to more on this 80 stone. She's in the reclining chair and she's out. Yeah. All right, let's go back here. Let's do some more. Taking this out more. Make sure my blade's not really moving much. That's good. So this is the 80 stone or 80 grit sanding emery cloth. We're cutting it down. I believe we'll go one more time. Flip it. I will flip it. Pop this off. I didn't need to do that. Let's do it the proper way. And flip that under there. There we go. Let's go 6 times back and forth. 2, 4, 6. Go take a look at the light. See what we got. Hold it in the light. Let's see. Not super edgy yet. Just wipe this off with my paper towels. There we go. See what we got here. Oh yeah. I don't know. I went back to use my phones. These phones are superior. Zooming in there. Alright, let's try it a few more times with the 80. And then we'll go to the 150. I'll pop you back on when I get to the 180 or the 150. Alright, I'm on my last sanding strip, the 220. So now I'm ready to go to the stones. So I have a whole bag of different grit sandpaper that I cut, and so now we're ready to peel off the. See, it's also, as for some reason, the longer you start using it gets more tacky. I don't know why, but pull the double-sided tape off that, and now we're ready to use the stones that come with it. So we got a 320 and 600. So we're gonna go to the 320 and make my mark, make my line. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Yeah, okay, let's go with my 320. Bring this back over here. See, I usually keep an eye where I'm at. Like, usually when the knife is this way, the dot is the other way. So that way I know where I kind of keep it consistent. So I'll pop my, let me get this out of the way. Pop my support under there and just cut this out with some of the 320 and see where we're at. Yeah, see. Now this is the actual a diamond stone. Now this is what comes with the kit. This is the highest abrasive that comes in the basic kit. So I'm going toward because I'm going toward it. I'm trying to break the burr. Oh, I always forget to pull that out. Slip it down here. Pop this over here. Slide that there and cut this like here. Get me I don't know how long these things are gonna last, so I try to conserve them. I don't. I've been using all the sandpaper to do the major reprofiling, but they do on their website. That's the only place I've ever seen them. They have the replacement things just for the diamond stones. I think they're $7 a piece, but. So hopefully this lasts a long time. I'm not sure what type of steel this is. This is probably 440. So it's not a very super aggressive or super hard steel. So do another 2 pass or let's go. Let's go 4 back and forth. Go. And we'll see what the burr looks like. Get this one, we'll flip it over and pop this out. Let's see, I'm probably, like I said, I'm gonna probably pick up eventually the upgrade, which gives you some more stones. That's $79, so it's kind of expensive when I already spent $59 on an actual sharpener. Go one more time up and down, and we'll take a look at the burr. Doing some aggressive. There we go. So I'm gonna take a look first, and I'll show it to you. See. See how it feels like. Oh yeah, it's feeling sharp now. Getting there. It's a 320. You can see my cuts on it. Let's see. Take a look at it. Let's see. I'm gonna wipe it off. See. Wipe that off a little bit. You can take a look at the edge right now. Let's see what we got. M&P Extreme Ops. Yeah, we'll do a few more passes with this 320 stone, diamond stone, or whatever. Pop this over here. Let's do one more. I'm gonna go 4 passes. That's 1. Actually 2. I'm counting. We might go 6. There's 4. This one more time. And get it back. That's 6. And we'll flip it. Flip it. Flip that like that. And go 6 on this side too. That's 2. My 3rd pass up. 4. Go one more time. Let's take a look at the tip or the edge. I'm gonna stop it and come back. Okay, I'm popping back in here real quick again. I'm on the 600 stone, so I've been actually switched the way I've been cutting. I've been kind of going like this. So I did 10 on each side, kind of getting a more refined edge. Let's see what we got here. Let's take my look at my edge. Yeah, see what you can see up here. See if we can see anything. I believe my edge is getting more refined as I go now. So that's the 600 stone. Let's take a look at it a little bit better. Yeah, let me put the strop to it. See if I can. Let's see, I'm trying to find a hair. I don't know if I'm going to go all the way with all my lapping sheets. I think I might just go to I got these lapping sheets that go from all the way from, I think, 1200 to 60,000. I usually lay on top of the ceramic. But what I'm going to probably do, I'm just probably going to take this 600 down, get it shaven sharp, and then and see, it's not shaven sharp right now. I'm going to just kind of get the 600 stone in a good spot, then take the ceramic and hone it in. So that's where I'm going to stop it right now. I'll give you an update here in a second. Well, I wasn't going to take it to the lapping stones, but I ended up starting on the lapping. So I started on the yellow, which I can't remember, 1800, and I'm on the blue right now. It's shaving sharp right now. But with the lapping stones, you do something a little different. You let's see, pop it in here, and I just pull down, so it won't, and I'll go like 10 times on each side. Lost my count, so we'll just pop it to the other side. Let's try it again. And these ones, you don't have, there's no double-sided tape. The lapping sheets come from 3M, and they kind of like, you put on wax paper, and they kind of self-stick, so they're kind of sweet. 10 on this side. Let's see take a look. See what we got. Put this down. Get my glasses on. You can see. Ooh, crap. All right, let's bring this up. It's already here. So shaving sharp and a mirror edge now. You can see the edge. Well, you can't see the edge. You can see the shine on it. It's getting pretty nice, but let's see. Let's see if I got any. I'm pretty sweaty. Let's see if I can find some hair to shave. I think there's some hair way up here. I can't really get to it. Let's see. Let me see how I can see that. Shaved it pretty good. I'll probably continue on with the lappings, but I don't know if I'll make any more updates because I'm on the blue one and go yellow or pink, light green, and a white, and that takes it down gradually, and it just gets sharper and sharper. And right now you can see the hair on the blade, so it cuts hair. So I don't know. I might stop. I might not. It depends on. It's so easy once you get it this far into the sharpening. It's like really the hard part's getting it conditioned or profiled. Because then once you get down here, I mean, it's just like you're taking such minute things off. You're just, I mean, so easy. You're just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you're flipping it, and then doing the same thing, and it's just you're just honing that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, you're just honing that. So it's like I might go all the way with it, but I was only planning on going to the ceramic stone, which is about 1,000 on the Work Sharp for a Rock Sharp. But these lapping sheets are a game changer. Even with my Lansky system, I never got these things this sharp. So all right, well, I'm gonna continue to go, but now they're both the angles look like. Now they're both at. Let me count. Let's see, it's 25. So 24, 20, 23 maybe 22 degree angle. So, but I'm going to continue to go, but I'm going to leave you there. So, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge, and appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye.